It's weekend, mowing the grass on the yards. Just have fun! Hi guys, it's me again, Pinay Rancher in Texas. Now today, I'll just finish my mowing. Yeah, here we go. Look at the yards. I did it today, mowing around just for 10 minutes here inside the fence here where our yards is. Yeah, you see? Yeah. All right. This is it, running the mower, riding around to cut the grass. Yeah. Is there like a fun day today? Mowing the grass because this is weekend. Every weekend I'll just do it here. Especially if there's a lot of rain, the grass grown up fast. So now, look at the grass. It's getting taller, so I need to mow around. I'm just enjoying running the mower, you know, it's because it's pretty easy to drive this mower. Even the kids can drive this, so I'm gonna teach my son to do this kind of, you know, job because it's pretty easy to run the mower just to practice driving around in the yards, right? This is so cool. Looks like I got stuck in here because there's a big hole.
Sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She reminisces bright like the star in the skylines. She got two looks to go to one in a so bad of my life. Show you where you wanna go, 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 go. London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, show me we can go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just being your sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
When running the mower, of course, you need to full speed it. Take your time to ensure you get a clean, even cut. Because the last thing you want is for the lawn to look easier than before you have, right?
Down and better. Shawty, I'm down for good. But they're like Bonnie and Clyde, and everybody else to the extra world, girl. I'll be out for J, yeah. This is dangerous love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go. London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. No need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just being your sounds alright, sounds
now I'm done mowing for today. Just for 10 minutes outside, so it's nice to look at the yards. So now I'm gonna park it here and put back into the other side. Alright, thank you so much and have a wonderful day. Bye! Yeah, the yards now. It's nice to look at with these flowers here. Look! Oh my god! It's nice to look at.
I can't do nothing better.